We'll examine the top 2 CPL filters for the DJI Avata 2 in this video, so be sure to give them some thought before your next drone flight.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC CPL Filter. The StartRC CPL Filter is a top pick for fans of the DJI Avata 2 drone who want to improve their aerial photography. Its unique quality is its capacity to significantly reduce reflections and glare from surfaces like glass and water. With the integrated CPL filter, you can give your aerial footage a splash of color. This filter makes your photos shine out with vivid detail by minimizing glare and undesirable reflections from surfaces like glass and water. It also enriches colors and improves clarity. The multi-layer coating technology of the Avata 2 filters offers further protection and enhancement. These coatings lessen reflections, improve light transmission, and shield the lens surface from remaining water droplets or oil residues. Every frame taken with the DJI Avata 2 drone, from expansive nature vistas to detailed urban patterns, is guaranteed to have a remarkable level of clarity and richness thanks to the improved optical quality. On number 2, we have Coyktonty CPL Filter. For those looking to improve their aerial photography and filmmaking with the DJI Avata 2, the Coyktonty CPL filter is a great option. This filter is particularly good at removing undesired reflections and cutting down on glare from difficult-to-reach objects like windows and bodies of water. This filter can lessen unwanted reflections from water and glass surfaces. You can photograph richer and more defined landscapes with it. The golden frame has rotatable and adjustable UV filter, which lowers UV light, lessens haze, and boosts contrast. Preserves the quality of the images while safeguarding the drone's lens. This improvement is especially helpful for producers of aerial material who want to add a polished and captivating look to their film. This filter's sophisticated optical qualities help to produce footage with rich details, vibrant colors, and striking contrasts that elevate every scene. So these are some of the best CPL filters to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.